Welcome to JitendraDeCodes. Today we will see what are Python's key features that makes it popular for data analytics. That's a great question. It really gets to the heart of why Python has become the go-to language for data analytics. With my 10 plus years of experience, I have seen many of the combinations, simplicity, flexibility, and strong ecosystem that makes Python uniquely suited for extracting insights from the data. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language which is known for its readability and versatility. In the context of data analytics, its key strength lies in how quickly analysts can move from raw data to actionable insights without being bogged down by a complex system. And that's a simple engineering of the data. So Python has its readable syntax. It's easy to learn and maintain even for the non-programmers. It has a rich ecosystem. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib provides specialized tools for data manipulation and visualization. Python's integration works seamlessly with databases, big data frameworks, and machine learning platforms. Python's data analytics capabilities can be grouped into four categories, each serving a distinct purpose in the data lifecycle. Data manipulation. This involves cleaning, transforming, organizing structured dataset like spreadsheets, database tables. Python's tool make it easy to filter the rows, merge datasets, and compute summaries, which is essential for preparing data before the analysis. Numerical computation. For mathematical operations and statistical calculations, Python offers high performance tool that handles array, matrices and numerical functions efficiently. This is especially useful when working with larger datasets or performing scientific analysis. For visualization, turning numbers into visuals is the key storytelling insight, and Python supports a wide range of plotting tools to create bar charts, histograms, heat maps, and many more, helping analysts communicate the trend and patterns very clearly. In advanced analytics, statistical modeling, predictive analysis, and machine learning is provided by Python. Python provides frameworks for building models that can classify, forecast, or cluster the data, making it a powerful choice for data science and AI applications. We will see now some basic use cases or applications which are broader and help you understand what are the applications of Python across industries because of its adaptability. In finance, it is used for risk modeling, fraud detection, algorithm trading. In healthcare, it is used for patient data analysis and predictive diagnostics. Similarly, in retail and e-commerce, it helps to segmentation of customer, recommendation system, and we can build these tools using Python. In IT world and cloud, Python helps the log the analysis, anomaly detection, automation pipeline, and streamline the work. Despite of having such features, there are some pitfalls and challenges that needs to be taken care. Performance bottleneck primarily one which needs to be looked into. Python can slowly for heavy computation. To simplify this and solve the problem, we need to use optimized libraries like NumPy and Python and use parallelism to resolve this issue. We have data quality issues where analysts can overlook pre-processing. Then it will give the bad data. For that, we need to build robust data cleaning pipelines using Pandas library. Versioning and library conflicts can be issue with the Python. So the dependency on data management can be tricky. For that, we need to create the virtual environments and use the tools like Conda or ppin, which will help us to create correct versioning. So in short, Python's popularity in data analytics comes from its readable syntax, powerful libraries, and ability to scale from quick exploratory analysis to production level pipelines. Knowing how to leverage these strengths and avoid common pitfalls is what makes Python such a reliable and readable tool for turning raw data into real business value. Hope this helps. Thank you.